I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin booming. Remember, I'm giving away $2,000 end of the month free Bitcoin. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Let's go. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. We've been talking about buying Bitcoin, and it's Bitcoin season, and buying Bitcoin on pullbacks. You've had a couple bear traps in these green circles that have been buying opportunities. I hope you guys have been listening to the channel. We were hoping for bigger pullbacks. It didn't happen. We talked about these parabolic price rises where Bitcoin's just been, again, taking over the crypto space. It's Bitcoin season right now. So when Bitcoin dominance is pumping altcoins, people are selling altcoins and they'll move to Bitcoin, right? If this thing, a lot of people want to know, well, where do I buy Bitcoin? If you've been sitting on the sidelines, sitting in Tether or sitting in altcoins and you're wondering where do I, it's hard to say, hey, buy right now. But if Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, 64, 65,000, retest it, get good confirmation. The run from 65,000 to 75,000 to 85,000, possibly 100,000 will be pretty quick. We've got some Bitcoin ETF ideas and catalysts we're going to be talking about in just a minute, but it's important to understand the idea where Bitcoin can act like an altcoin, and it has been. It's had parabolic price rises. Bitcoin will act like an altcoin during Bitcoin season. Most of us, a lot of us FOMO into crypto because of Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is the poster child for crypto. Then after people are in crypto, they say, hey, what about Ethereum? Hey, what about the other altcoins? Hey, let me fall in love with these altcoins, right? So understand that the money flow starts here. We need Bitcoin to break all-time highs. A couple months from now, I'm looking at December, January for potentially one of the biggest altcoin seasons you guys have ever seen. We have to be ready to take advantage of this opportunity, right? The bull run doesn't last forever, but we're about to make the most amount of money that we have seen in years over the next few months in crypto, assuming that Bitcoin breaks all-time highs. This is about to be life-changing money. You have to make the most of it. Now, in the trading group, I posted that it's possible the fourth quarter of 2021 is Bitcoin season. So this October the 5th, which is essentially October the 5th in this area. All right, so Bitcoin ran from 50,000 to 62,000 since then. All right, and then we know that my strategy was to buy the breakout of the patterns, and I bought the breakout here for Bitcoin. Okay. You can see right here in Trading Group, September the 30th, I said, hey, there's a big move coming for Bitcoin the next 24 to 48 hours. Make a plan right now. I'm still cash heavy. I'll look to open positions on a breakout retest of this level, and I bought $44,000 Bitcoin. Boom, based on this idea. Let's go. Potentially been adding on the pullbacks. Buying opportunities are coming. Big test is 64, 65,000 all-time highs. If Bitcoin doesn't break all-time highs on the first attempt, it's not going to be crazy for that to happen, right? There's going to be a bunch of sellers stacked up there. But this parabolic price rise, again, you're buying Bitcoin dips based on this idea. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person is in Cancun, and I'm jealous because, I mean, technically, I'm working every day, right? This guy, he says, you're the GOAT, greatest of all time. I don't think so. I'm humble, right? But he says, I'm seriously grateful, forever grateful for you, this amazing journey. The guy's living it up because he joined the group. This person made $8,000 on Theta. He says the most valuable group, truly the most valuable group. I taught him how to trade. This person started with $1,000 and now he has $55,000 after paying for his bills, 2 kids, his wife, 2 dogs, a cat, no job, to trading crypto. And he's posting some amazing setups in the trading group daily. This is the biggest financial opportunity right now, today, the next few months going forward. You want to make a ton of money? Join the group. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. You can pay with cryptocurrency. You get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or the year. If you pay for the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay month to month, you can also pay with a card. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. Cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is DOT. I've given you DOT a couple times. We're up 114% recently, 34% here. This is gonna be a super strong coin going forward because they got parachains coming. This is FTM, 477% gains. This is all about the multiples. You gotta hit the multiples with, hopefully you guys have accumulated large sums of money since you've been in crypto, right? You start hitting some of these 2, 3, 4x coins and it multiplies quickly. You've got to make the most of this. Now, ETF news. This is breaking. The NASDAQ listing is hinting that the SEC may soon approve an ETF application by Valkyrie. So I tweeted that it was approved and it hasn't been approved, but it's being considered. Now, this is the second one in line. This one, however, ProShares Bitcoin strategy has been approved. So this person, James, he tweeted this earlier where the ticker is going to be BITO and the fees to trade is going to be a lot less than GBTC's fees. All right, this is going live either Monday or Tuesday. We want to see a bunch of volume here. You don't want to see an ETF launch, a Bitcoin ETF launch, and there not be a bunch of volume come in, right? So you don't want a lackluster performance out of the volume going into BITO. Now, this is just for confirmation, this is the SEC website. Effectiveness date on the 18th. On the 18th, this is ProShares Cayman Bitcoin Strategy Portfolio. This is the ProShares Trust Bitcoin Strategy ETF. And ProShares ETF has been approved, ready to bang. We're about to see life-changing money. Now, let me remind you guys of one thing about ETFs, and I'll read you the sentence. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, incorporated in the USA. ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF seeks capital appreciation. There can be no assurance that the fund will achieve its investment objective. Now listen to me. The fund does not invest directly in Bitcoin. So understand what we're dealing with here. However, this puts Bitcoin on the map on a financial level for the world to see. CFTC fined Tether and Bitfinex $42 million over the USDT backing. They said, hey, it wasn't fully backed by USD. Again, they just paid a fine and it's gone. So hopefully Tether bought a bunch of Bitcoin because they potentially could have made a ton of money if they're investing in crypto. This is Hive USDT on Kucoin. I've got a gem pick ready to bang. We've been killing it on these things. It's amazing. Hive, I gave this to you on the 8th. 1 week later, this thing is up 99.6%. You made almost 100%. You doubled your money if you watched the video in a week. In 1 week. Bitcoin ETFs start getting approved, right? People are going to FOMO into Bitcoin more than the altcoins. But however, when you see Bitcoin going sideways, people will get bored of Bitcoin and you'll see some good altcoin trading, especially on the weekends. Bitcoin takes the weekend off and the altcoins fire up. Well, listen, Solana, if it breaks out and you don't buy it, you will miss the move for Solana. You could see $213 SOL based on this idea, potentially higher if it breaks previous all-time high. This thing's price discovery and continues to the upside. By the breakout of this triangle, Solana. Gem pick ready to bang. This is GSPI on Kucoin. Cup and handle, falling wedge. This thing hasn't even taken off yet. I think we see $7.50, $8.50 out of GSPI on Kucoin. This is today's Kucoin gem pick ready to bang. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.